for a fact, I know Ndengu has so much potential of being so delicious, but most people do not realize that. Hey there, welcome to another episode, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a very big, thick and delicious Ndengu curry stew. And with me here I have my ingredients. So from this corner, of course, I have my pre-boiled Ndengus, or you can call this green grams. I have some salt, I have some cooking oil. Then the secret is just here. So I have some onions, some capsicum. One ingredient that really goes well with Ndengu is some garlic. The more the better. Some coriander stems, some tomatoes. Also this gives a good base, and I have the tomatoes and some tomato paste. I have my coriander leaves. For the list of spices, you can add what you like, leave out what you do not. So today I have some Royco powder, I have some chicken masala because that's my favorite, and I have some curry powder. And without further ado, let's get started. So once this is nice, hot and dry, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once that is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. So I'm going to fry this till they are translucent. Then I'll be back to add in my other ingredients. Now that this is just how I like it, I'll go in with my tomatoes as well as my tomato paste. Then once the tomatoes are blended in with the cooking oil, I'll go in with my coriander stems as well as my garlic. Then I'm going to let this cook for about a minute till the tomatoes are well broken down. So now that my tomatoes are almost there, I'll go in with my capsicum. Then I'll add in my spices. Then I'll go in with some water, and this is going to help the tomato paste to loosen up. And you can already see we have a very thick curry. So this means that our end result is also going to be very big. So I'll give this about a minute before the spices and everything can be well blended. Then I'll be back to add in my next ingredient. So 1-2 minutes later, you can see this is what we have, and you can see how big this is. So you want to create a very good base for your green grams. Then you're going to add them in. Then this is the perfect time to add in the salt. Then mix this well. Then I'll cover it so that it can reheat, and also the spices in huko ndani. Then I'll be back to add in my soup. like a minute later. This is the perfect time to add in your soup, and this is also my favorite part, the logo. So you can add as much as you may prefer, and we are not afraid of soup here as long as you know how to go about it. I'll add a little bit more. And some little bit more. Yeah, that should be okay. Then I'm going to let this sit here and simmer for a couple of minutes. About 8 to 10 minutes should be okay. So this is exactly what you want, and our stew is ready. Time to switch this off. I'll go in with my coriander leaves. Then I'll see you for serving and tasting. As you've seen, it was that easy, and for a fact, I know Ndengu has so much potential of being so delicious, but most people do not realize that. So this is the perfect recipe, and another secret, once you try this out, don't leave out the avocado. I'm going to give this a taste test. And as you can see, this is very thick, just how we wanted it. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you get to give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.